Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. This is Yashmita and today is Sunday, so I did not go to beach today this morning. I was feeling a little sick, so I thought maybe I can make a video later in this afternoon. So now I'm in the park right now, and this is kind of a secluded place in the park where I can comfortably make my video and there is nobody else to bother me. So because I don't like making videos at my home, I'm kind of a little freak about lighting and I need everything perfect. So this is kind of a good atmosphere for me. I hope that you're not having a lot of background noises right now, because people are playing tennis here and some of them are like painting these benches, just like I'm sitting on one of them. Now in this video we will talk about adding value to other people's life and why is it important and how we cannot do without it. Most of the time we have felt so meaningless in our life, and we have felt purposeless, and we wake up every morning and we think about what the hell is going on, and we don't have this good feeling all the time. I can tell you that I feel that feel good factor only when I drink my cup of coffee, and only then I feel a little better. This is what is happening with everyone else as well, and I think that the reason for this is because we are not connected to the source, and what the source is telling us is to add value to other people's. It is always telling us to be more on the giving side. What we are doing is we are always thinking about getting something out of a situation, getting something from other people. But if we focus more on the giving side, if we give more and take less, only then I think that we will feel little more purposeful and meaningful in life. And you have already experienced this feeling when you gift something to someone else. It is the joy of giving someone else that we experience, and this is really amazing, because we don't feel that joy when we accept a gift from someone else. We can only feel it when we give something to someone else. This is what I'm talking about adding value to other people's lives. And by adding value, I don't mean that you have to be a prime minister, you have to be a chief minister or a grade A officer to serve other people, to contribute something to the society. You don't have to be that. You can still add value to other people's life by helping them out, by being there for someone else, by talking to someone who is in distress, or by helping out a colleague. You can do all these little things which can add value to their life, and through this process of giving, through this process of being there for someone else, it may also increase your level of joy and your level of purpose in life. So what are these little things that we can try to make someone else's day better? We can compliment them, or we can cook for our family. We can send someone a gift, or because these little things have a greater impact on them. We don't know that how their day is going and how their life is going. So if we give a little bit of attention to these people, the people who are in our life, and people who we interact with every day, if we express our gratitude towards them, that we are grateful to have them in our life, it may just make their day better. We can also boost someone else's confidence. What our natural tendency is that we want to be seen by somebody, and by seen, it's not like we're passing through this path and just someone randomly looks at us. I'm not talking about that kind of scene. I'm talking about seeing someone with true intent and seeing someone with being present on that moment. We hardly get seen by someone else's like that these days, because people are busy and they are already having their own problems. But this is what I'm talking about here today, that we have to do something extraordinary, something that most of the people have forgotten to do these days, which is like to be actually there for someone, to see someone for who they are and compliment them and boost their confidence. So this is all about adding value to other people's life. We have to do this because if we don't do this, if we are always concentrating on our own life, and we are always in this shell of selfishness, then this is not going to make us any more happier, because life is all about contributing and sharing and giving. If we don't give, then we are always going to feel lonely. We are always going to feel meaningless and purposeless in our life, which is, I think, more and more people are feeling these days, because we are concentrating more and more on our lives, and there is just so much of competition, and people have these genuine reasons to be more self-centered and to be more thinking about themselves only. I must tell you that these genuine reasons are not so genuine. These are the reasons that we give to ourselves to fulfill our own destiny, to be more focused on our life. But if you really want to be happy, and if you really want to wake up every morning with joy and happiness, then this is the only way to do that, by giving something to someone else, by contributing, by sharing to the society something. And if you don't have anything else to give, then you can always give your time to someone else. You can always spare 10 minutes for someone, just to talk to them, to ask them how they are doing, and what are the problems that they are facing in their life. I know that you're not an expert, we are not an expert to solve someone else's problems, but just to hear them out, just to be there for someone else, it makes a huge difference in their life, and more than that, it will make a huge difference in your life. So let's practice this. We can start with little things, just like I said, cook a good meal for your family, and gift someone a small thing, a token of your love, a token of an expression of your love, and I'm sure that it is going to make you feel much more happy than before. So let's do this, and I'm trying this. If there is anything else that you want to talk to me about, you can just drop me a comment, and maybe we can interact on the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Much love to you, and happiness to you.